Hey, I'm Will and Noble Locksmith, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Car Key Wizard. I'm an automotive locksmith, and while I definitely don't know it all, I have learned some tricks along the way that I hope will help you while you're out in the field. One thing you can do to help me out, though, would be to subscribe to my channel. And if you like my videos, leave a comment or ask a question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I make a lot of videos, so if there's something you'd like to learn more about or a video you'd like to see on a car we're working on, just let me know in the comments and I'll put it up as soon as I can. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy watching my videos.
Okay, next in line at Carvana, we have a 2019 Camaro. We're adding 2 keys. Their key was a little beat, so we're going to put 2 new ones in. The programming slot, I believe, is the front cup holder. We'll check that in a minute. I'm going to get this, get the 12-minute wait going here. Well, I have a Tahoe behind me going with SPS2. Trying to see how many cars I can do at one time. No way that goes badly. So I know I have weights on these, so I like to get them started and then I can get into something else. Get the ignition on here. There we go. Control unit. Read password. Password reading. This will tell you a lot of times to turn off Bluetooth and plug into the VCI. The only time I found that you actually have to do it when it says that is on a ProMaster. Since I said that, let's watch this one not work. Be great if you could stop beeping. Pin code read successfully, 2869, 2869, 2869. Now we're going to go into keyless system. Let's check the number because we are adding 2. I want to make sure there's room. Match keys 3. I don't know the count on these. We'll do all keys lost, because I'm not sure if the count, the max on these is 4, and I'm adding 2, so I don't want to run out of room and have to do that again. Alright, key is in, oh no it's not, yes it is. Alright, keys in the slot, 2869, yep, ignition's off. Checking pin code, and now we have the 12-minute wait. I'm going to get this emergency key decoded and check on my other car I got running. We will be back in 12. Alright, timer is up. We are back. Press stop button once. Okay. Configuring the system. We're going to get the message on the dashboard in a second here. Ready for remote 1, because I did all keys lost. Never mind. Configuring. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I just wanted to check the battery in my keys. The programming slot was the rear cup holder, so I put one in there. Do I want to match the next key? Yes. Okay. I'm going to hit the start button. Okay, it's going to change to 3. Hopefully. Come on. Not seem like it took that one. Did not flip it upside down. Try it again. Now these are not my keys. It's possible I got the wrong key. Press start button once. Okay. That was not right. Didn't have the ready message up there. Configuring. Alright, let's try this one. Yes. Okay. Press start button once. Okay. Ready for remote 3. So I took that one. We do have to get one more in here. They had one, so I went ahead and put theirs back as the first one. I don't know if they want this, but it's theirs, and I can't reuse it, so you can give it back. Alright, took that one. Seems to be that's the positioning it likes them. So we put that one in there. Yes, I want one more. Okay, it's in the slot. Press the start button once. That should change to 4. There we go. Alright, we are all set. These are mine. This is their existing. Now we just have to close out programming, get that message off. And while we were on the 12-minute wait, I went ahead and cut the emergency keys, so we'll be done with this as soon as we can get this out of programming. No more keys, ignition off, and then we're going to hold it for 12 seconds. There's our 12-second timer. Release. You can open, close the door or something like that. Long press to turn on. Ignition's on. Now turn it back off. Yep. Off. Let's start the car. Car starts. 5 seconds. Back off. Close the door. Start key. We did all this already. These all work. I don't know why it says do that, but what I do is when it changes the message to ready for the next key, it's taking that key. I take it out, hit the buttons, make sure the remote works. I do that to make sure it took the key and I'm on the right key. So I don't have to wait the 12 minutes again. If you hit no and you ended up on the wrong key, you're going to go back through the 12-minute wait. And Autel, I've said this in other videos, Autel is always going to say current key matching complete, whatever that message is, and it could be the just dead wrong key. So I make sure it works, because you can just keep going through that until you got all your keys in there and don't do the 12-minute wait again. So we are done with this one. No more keys. Number of match keys 3. Okay. And we're done with this. The keys are already cut. On to the next one.